Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best repair tape is probably one of the most essential tools for any inflatable enthusiast, whether you're a parent with a backyard bounce house or a business owner with a fleet of rentals. Tears, punctures, and leaks are inevitable when it comes to inflatable products, but with the right repair tape, you can quickly and effectively fix these issues, saving you time, money, and frustration. This video will explore the best options available, helping you choose the perfect tape to keep your inflatables in top shape. Number 5. Gorilla All-Weather Duct Tape, Black, 1.88 x 25 yards. This all-weather tape is perfect for outdoor repairs. It's designed to withstand whatever the weather throws at it, ensuring your repairs last. This black duct tape features a permanent adhesive and a weather-resistant shell. This combination helps it endure harsh conditions, keeping your project secure. The waterproof tape can handle temperatures from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, apply it when the temperature is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This heavy-duty tape has a strong, low-tack adhesive. It resists drying, cracking, and peeling caused by sunlight, heat, cold, and moisture. This all-weather adhesive tape is a versatile solution. It's great for sealing, repairs, automotive use, and much more. What we like. This tape is designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions, making it perfect for outdoor repairs. It resists cracking, peeling, and damage from sunlight, heat, and moisture. If you have outdoor items that need a reliable, long-lasting fix, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This tape is amazing and has saved my bounce house from the trash. It has held up to the elements and the kids playing on it. The tape is very easy to use and sticks very well. Number 4. Gaffer Power Clear Duct Tape, Weather Resistant. This is a premium clear tape that offers the strength and versatility of duct tape, but with a transparent design. It discreetly adheres to restore features and surfaces, making repairs look like new. It's the perfect subtle tape for various uses, such as PVC, screen repair, ceiling, and window repairs. You can use it at home or on the job. This heavy-duty tape is engineered to withstand rain, storms, humidity, and heat. It firmly sticks to various surfaces like wood, plastic, glass, and metal, providing a lasting seal. The tape provides maximum strength and workability for quick repairs. It tears into easy strips and comes off clean, making your work easier. This waterproof tape is manufactured in the USA under strict quality guidelines. The company is committed to providing the best quality and customer service. You'll find endless uses for this clear duct tape. If there are any issues, the company stands by its commitment to quality and offers premium customer service. What we like. This clear tape offers the strength of duct tape with a discreet appearance, perfect for subtle repairs. It's engineered to withstand rain, storms, and various weather conditions, ensuring a lasting hold. If you are looking for a nearly invisible repair solution for various surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The tape is very easy to use. It worked perfectly to repair a small tear in the bounce house. The repair held up great even with a lot of use. Number 3. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. This tape creates a permanent bond. It instantly seals out air, water, and moisture. It's designed to last. This waterproof tape works everywhere. You can use it indoors or outdoors, rain or shine, even underwater. It's incredibly versatile. The specially formulated adhesive tape conforms to the surface. It can repair holes, cracks, gaps, and tears. It's easy to apply. The backing of this heavy-duty tape is designed to withstand moisture and UV rays. It won't yellow over time. It's built to last. This is a waterproof tape for leaks in roofs, rubber, plastic or vinyl pool liners, and so much more. It's a reliable solution for various repairs. What we like. This tape creates a permanent seal against air, water, and moisture, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its adhesive conforms to various surfaces, making it ideal for repairing holes, cracks, and leaks. If you like a quick and effective solution for sealing leaks in various materials, you should consider this. What people say. This tape worked perfectly for repairing a tear in my inflatable bounce house. The tape is very strong and durable, and it has held up well to repeated use. I was able to easily apply the tape to the bounce house, and it has created a seamless repair. Number 2. Gaffer Power Heavy Duty Butyl Repair Tape. This tape grips firmly to wet or dry surfaces. It's perfect for various repairs, such as roof patches, pipe leaks, and boat repairs. This product provides a reliable and lasting solution. Use it indoors and outdoors to fix leaks. It creates a tight seal that increases with pressure. This tape is ideal for pools, tanks, and storage containers. This tape is flexible and easily conforms to shapes. It's great for gutter repairs and curved equipment. It also offers good solvent and moisture resistance. This waterproof tape is also recommended for mobile homes, RVs, and more. It's UV resistant for long-lasting use. It is a versatile solution for many different needs. Gaffer Power is committed to made in USA quality. This repair tape is made with the best US sourced materials. You can find answers to your questions in the FAQ PDF. What we like. This heavy-duty butyl tape provides a quick and permanent waterproof seal, perfect for roofing, pipes, and other leak repairs. It adheres firmly to both wet and dry surfaces, making it versatile for various applications. If you have leaks in critical areas like roofs or pipes, this product is your best choice. What people say. The tape is very easy to use. It worked perfectly to repair the bounce house. The tape is holding up great. Number 1. PVC Stitch Heavy Duty Repair Kit. This is PVC Stitch, a heavy-duty repair kit designed for various inflatables and gear. It's perfect for fixing air mattresses, pools, hot tubs, and more. This kit provides a durable and reliable solution for all your repair needs. Using PVC Stitch is straightforward. First, clean and dry the damaged area. Then, apply the sealant evenly, with or without the included cord, ensuring complete coverage. After a few hours, it's ready to use. PVC Stitch is water-resistant, UV-resistant, and can withstand various temperatures. This makes it ideal for outdoor and water gear. The high adhesion ensures a long-lasting repair. This kit is suitable for PVC and PU inflatable boats, air mattresses, pool liners, and various other items. It's also great for repairing plumbing pipes and hoses. It's a versatile solution for many different materials. Each kit includes a 20 ml tube of sealant and a PVC mesh cord. Remember to store it at room temperature. It has a shelf life of 2 years. However, it is not suitable for nylon-based materials. What we like. This liquid PVC sealant creates a permanent patch for inflatable items, eliminating the need for separate patches. It is water, UV, heat, and cold resistant, ensuring durability in various conditions. If you are looking for a long-lasting repair solution for inflatable items, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This tape is amazing and works perfectly. It has saved my bounce house from the trash. The tape is very durable and has held up great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.